There is no greater gift you can give or receive than to honor our calling. It is why you were born and how you become most truly alive. A very good morning to all gathered here. Team Anand welcomes you all on this special occasion of Investiture Ceremony 2021-22. The pandemic has fundamentally changed our lives and the way society functions. This change can be made favorable most of all through the power of prayer, because with God all things are possible. God's spirit is greater than that of this world. Here we have Mrinalini to welcome the newly elected school council with a prayer song.
வானமழை நீயே, உயிர் வாழும் பயிர் நீயே, வார்த்தை தந்தவளே, எங்கள் வண்ண தமிழ் தாயே. வானமழை நீயே, உயிர் வாழும் பயிர் நீயே, வார்த்தை தந்தவளே, எங்கள் வண்ண தமிழ் தாயே. க க க சகரி சமகரி சதா தா தா பமனி த பமத நீ நீ சதா தனி மமத த பமத பம சனி த பமகரி சகரி ச ச மகரி த பம மணி த ப சனி நீ கரி ச பத பம பம சகரி சகரி நீ தனி ச கரி நீ தனி ச. கடலின் அலை நீ, கரையின் சிலை நீ, என்றும் நிலை நீயே. கடலின் அலை நீ, கரையின் சிலை நீ, என்றும் நிலை நீயே. காட்டில் அசைந்திடும் மரம் நீ, பூவின் நறுமண சுகந்தமே, வசந்தங்கள் உன்னை வணங்குமே. காட்டில் அசைந்திடும் மரம் நீ, பூவின் நறுமண சுகந்தமே, வசந்தங்கள் உன்னை வணங்குமே. கம்பன் கவினய மகுடமே கூறலின் நெறிமுறை அலைகள் தோளும் மண்ணில் விழும் வானமழை நீயே, உயிர் வாழும் பயிர் நீயே, வார்த்தை தந்தவளே, எங்கள் வண்ண தமிழ் தாயே.
Thank you, Mrinalini. It was divine indeed. A smile is the universal welcome. With a heart full of happiness and smile, Aliaskar is here to garland you with sweet loving words of welcome.
Respected correspondent, executive director, principal, coordinator, teachers and fellow students. It is an immense privilege for me to extend a warm note of welcome to you all on this special day. I deem it my honor to welcome our correspondent Shri Karan Ramachandran and executive director Srimati Revati Kannan to this momentous event. They have believed that Anand warriors should have abundant opportunities to pursue excellence, and this day stands as yet another testimony to their belief. Hearty welcome, Suran ma'am. Our principal Sri Stephenson, vice principal, coordinator, teachers have ensured that deserving candidates are nominated to the Students' Council. They have also ensured that the elections were held in a fair and disciplined manner. I take great pleasure in welcoming them all to the ceremony. It is my happy duty to welcome the members of the council who are set to assume office today. On behalf of Anand warriors, let me congratulate you on your election. We are confident that you will lead us with courage and compassion. A warm welcome to you all. I extend a heartfelt welcome to my fellow warriors. Today, we are about to be a part of a significant event in the annals of Anand. One that upholds the ideals of equality, democracy and fair play. As we get ready to witness the swearing in of our leaders, I take a leave recalling the words of Lao Tzu. A leader is best when people barely know he exists. Is when his work's done, his aim fulfilled, and people will say, we did it ourselves. Thank you.
Thank you, Aliaskar. If you light a lamp for someone else, it will also brighten your path. Know what sparks the light in you? Then use that light to illuminate the world. We now have Mr. Kannan Ramachandran, the correspondent, Mrs. Revati Kannan, the executive director, Mr. Stephenson, the principal, Mrs. Deepa Menon, the vice principal, and our coordinators lighting the lamp to illuminate the world. Thank you, sir and madam. Anand International School has always been inspired by the vision of its founder, that is, to provide a happy, caring and stimulating environment filled with unlimited opportunities where children will recognize and achieve their fullest potential so that they can make their best contribution to the society. To prove the same, foreseeing the welfare of the students' future and to train them in leadership skills, the School Student Council has been elected after rigorous and democratic formalities through which the students got elected to the much coveted Student Council body. Let us catch a glimpse of the entire process of election to the Student Council 2021-22. Dear all, the day is brought into being by an assurance of a brighter future as the office bearers get ready to be invested. I now invite the following captains to take over their charges. Ananya R.K. as school captain, Srivan Alages as school vice captain, Jayavardhani S. sports captain, Shanmugapriyan M. sports vice captain. May I now request our principal, Mr. Stephenson, to give charge to school captains and sports captains.
Do you accept willingly the responsibility now laid upon you to give sincere and cheerful leadership to the school?
Yes, we do.
Do you promise to take up the challenge to shine for truth and righteousness among your fellow students?
Yes, we do.
Do you undertake to give your every effort to building up and strengthening the quality of life in an international school in loyal cooperation with the teachers and others in authority?
Yes, we do.
Thank you, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, the most anxiously awaited moment has finally arrived. This day apparently reminds the winning council members as to how they should perfectly discharge their duties, being unbiased, uncompromising and loyal, abiding by the school rules and regulations. The powers they would hold from this day will give them the freedom to articulate the inbred leadership skills in leading the Anand Warriors through various events and to glorify the days coming with a consistent success record. It is indeed a defining moment for the entire gathering to watch their parents honoring the award with insignia, followed by the presentation of the school flag. We now have Ananya R.K., school captain. She is now being honored with her badge and sash. Now, the school captain receives the school flag. Our school flag symbolizes our identity and pride, and receiving the flag is both in honor and responsibility cherished by the school captain. Thank you, parents. We now have Srivan Alages, school vice captain. He is now being honored with his badge and sash. Thank you, parents. We believe as the school captains, you both would work for the betterment of the students, leading them in the right path, traveling along and guiding them towards success as well. We now have Jayavardhani S., sports captain. She is now being honored with her badge and sash. She is now being handed over with sports flag by her parents. Thank you, parents. We now have Shanmugapriyan M, sports vice captain. He is now being honored with his badge and sash by his parent. Thank you, parent. As the sports captains, you both are believed to bring true spirits of sportsmanship in every Anand warrior and leading them with enthusiasm and fair sportsmanship. Next is the turn of the house captains to receive the badges, sash and the house flags. We have Advaita A as Night House captain and Pranav P as Night House vice captain. We have Lakshna JJ as Samurai House captain and Dakshin Priya TS as Samurai House vice captain. We have Sanjit M as Shaolin House captain and Nikita S as Shaolin House vice captain. We have Divyalakshmi S as Spartan House captain and Lalit Kumar K as Spartan House vice captain. I now invite Mrs. Deepa Menon, our vice principal, to administer the oath to house captains and vice captains.
Trusting in the grace and strength of God,
Trusting in the grace and strength of God,
I promise to be faithful
I promise to be faithful
in all my duties as house leader,
in all my duties as a house leader,
to seek in all things,
to seek in all things,
to set before my fellow students,
to set before my fellow students,
especially of my house,
especially of my house,
a pattern of honesty,
a pattern of honesty,
purity,
purity,
unselfishness and love.
unselfishness and love. So help me God.
Thank you, ma'am. May I now request parents of house captains and vice captains to present badge, sash and flag. We now have Knights House captain Advaita A being honored with her badge and sash. She is now being given with Knights House flag. We now have Knights House vice captain Pranav P being honored with his badge and sash. Thank you, parents. We now have Samurai House captain Lakshna JJ being honored with her badge and sash. She is now being honored with Samurai House flag. We now have Samurai House vice captain Dakshin Priya TS being honored with her badge and sash. Thank you, parents. We now have Shaolin's house captain Sanjit M being honored with his sash and badge. He is now being handed over with Shaolin House flag by his parent. We now have Shaolin House vice captain Nikita S being honored with her badge and sash. Thank you, parents. We now have Spartan House captain Divyalakshmi S being honored with a badge and sash. Now she is being honored with Spartan House flag. We now have Spartan House vice captain Lalit Kumar being honored with his badge and sash. Thank you, parents. Congratulations, dear captains, for accepting the greater responsibility to be the leaders to lead and to create a better world. Thank you, parents. The moment you take responsibility for everything in your life is the moment you can change anything in your life. We now have our young and energetic prefects to take their oath. I now call upon Amatullah Adnan Cochinwala, the class prefect of 6A, Shalini M, the class prefect of 6B, Harshini RP, the class prefect of 7A, Sanjit Krishna R, the class prefect of 7B, Saijivan Sadish, the class prefect of 8A, Kasini Karthik, the class prefect of 8B, Krutwal D, the class prefect of 9A, Arjav T Dinesh, the class prefect of 9B, Surega S, the class prefect of 10A, Nikita SB, the class prefect of 11, J Krishna B, the class prefect of 12. Now the class prefects take their turn to pledge their oath. May I request Ms. Sridevi R, the student counsellor, to administer the oath to the class prefects.
In the presence of the staff and students of Anand International School,
In the presence of the staff and students of Anand International School,
I pledge my loyalty to my school,
I pledge my loyalty to my school
to lead its members in diligent effort,
to lead its members in diligent effort,
in work and play,
work and play,
through exemplary conduct and in cheerful cooperation.
and in cheerful cooperation
With all those in authority.
with all those in authority. So help me God.
Thank you, ma'am. I now request our beloved parents to give away badges for the class prefects. Amatullah Adnan Cochinwala, the class prefect of 6A, receives the badge from her parent. Shalini M, the class prefect of 6B, receives the badge from her parent. Harshini RP, the class prefect of 7A, receives the badge from her parent. Sanjit Krishna R, the class prefect of 7B, receives the badge from his parent. Sai Jeevan Satish, the class prefect of 8A, receives the badge from his parent. Kasini Karthik, the class prefect of 8B, receives the badge from her parent. Kritvan D, the class prefect of 9A, receives the badge from his parent. Arjav T. Dinesh, the class prefect of 9B, receives the badge from his parent. Surega S, the class prefect of 10A, receives the badge from her parent. Nikita SB, the class prefect of 11, receives the badge from her parent. J. Krishna B, the class prefect of 12, receives the badge from his parent. Thank you, parents. The ability to accept responsibility is the measure of the man. To prove the same, I now call upon the school captain, Ananya RK, to record her acceptance of responsibilities on behalf of the entire student council.
Good morning, respected correspondent, executive director, principal, vice principal, my dear teachers and fellow warriors. I would like to sincerely thank you for electing me as the school captain for this academic year. I am humbled by your confidence in me and I assure that I will do my best to live up to your expectations. Let me take this opportunity to congratulate my fellow student council members and I look forward to working with them as a team. I am honored and elated to be a part of this extraordinary and diverse team of creative individuals and I am sure that we can usher in positive change together. As the school captain, I promise to take up this responsibility with the utmost sincerity and I will strive hard to discharge my duties impartially and in a way that upholds the dignity of our school. We, the Student Council, collectively promise to work towards the best of our abilities in ensuring that our school and our fellow students achieve success and glory in everything that we undertake, virtually and in person. Thank you.
Thank you, Ananya. Thanks as a word is so small, yet it speaks volumes and volumes of the hidden sentiments of gratitude within the heart. Dear all, we have Sweta to express our gratitude.
Oath of thanks. Good morning, respected dignitaries, teachers and fellow students. It's my privilege to register the formal note of thanks to everybody for the unique contribution in making this day memorable. Our correspondent Sri Kannan Ramachandran and Executive Director Srimati Revati Kannan have graced this occasion with their affectionate presence. In behalf of all the Anand warriors, I take this opportunity in thanking them for their vision for each one of us and the encouragement they provide us in order to accomplish that vision. Thank you, sir and madam. Our principal Sri Stephenson, vice principal Srimati Deepa Menon, coordinators and teachers have always bestowed their unstinting support and guidance to all our endeavors. They ensure that we remain true to our purpose and constantly motivating us to do our best and be the best. I take great pleasure in thanking them. It's my honor to thank the members of the digital marketing team of Sharp Info Solutions Private Limited for having provided the technical expertise for the smooth conduct of elections as well as timely announcement of results. On behalf of NN, I express my sincere gratitude to each one of you. I extend a heartfelt note of congratulations to the new office bearers of the Student Council and wish them luck in all their endeavors. I also extend good wishes of the day as well as gratitude to my fellow students. Thank you.
Thank you, Shweta. We deem it an honor to record our sincere thanks for your valuable presence to sparkle our event. Furthermore, we appreciate our beloved parents for gracing this occasion. Success always comes when preparation meets opportunity. Our young leaders have taken up their opportunity to do small things in a great way from today. We wish them all success. We now request everyone to join us for the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे